Amazing Cup story yun ah.
Beings are all like stars.
Cup amazing story yun, boss ah. Lupit eh. Jilong pre.
I am the moon for the stars, the hero for the weak.
Battle cell ult is not ready. Request backup.
For peace!
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Out muna ako.
Initiate retreat.
Panganib.
Ally has been
Ano ginagawa mo na, Jir?
How insignificant
Anak
they are
ng
compared to the
teting.
galaxy.
Ano yan?
battle spell in cooldown.
Ano?
Request backup.
Those who kill for desire have no right to live.
Anak nang ginawa mo akong shooting ano ah. Shooting
An
target.
enemy has been
Oh, yeah.
slain.
Remember this dagger
Your
of
team
pain.
destroyed the turret.
What you asked for.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
For glory! Fellow citizens of the cosmos, let me your strength!
Gogi, handa na sila pre.
Shut down.
Ready na sila, alam na nila yung mangyayari pre. Arbor sapatos.
I am the moon
Pwede naman
for the
boss.
stars.
An enemy has been slain.
Ang ginagawa ni na Jir? Ba't puro lag tumakasama ko?
Ally has been slain.
Those guys are a bit odd, but not. For peace! How
Uwi na ako ulit.
compared to the galaxy?
Lilipad pa si Jito.
Our turret has been destroyed.
The universe is big enough for more
May
than one
tamo.
race.
Ano yan?
Attack the turtle. We're behind in gold.
Baka kasi may
The
Jito.
enemy has slain the turtle. Request backup.
Set mo Perd, set mo Perd.
Humans have been obsessed with power and bloodshed since the dawn of time.
Initiate retreat. Killing spree.
For glory!
Gagi na yun, napindot ko.
Ally has been slain.
Uy! Knock nang.
Slain. Double kill. Has been slain. Triple kill.
Galing.
Remember this dagger of pain.
Gagi, galing ng ano namin.
What you asked for.
Ang galing ni Tigreal pre. Putang gala.
You destroy the turret.
Puro assist ako ah.
Your team destroyed the turret. Mega kill.
Ay, gagi ka.
Those guys are a bit odd, but not evil.
Yeah, man.
For glory!
Enemy.
Citizens of the cosmos, lend me your strength!
Our turret is under attack.
How insignificant they are compared to the galaxy.
Ha?
Battle cell in
Timingan ba yun? Ako legit peer. Grabe, legit peer ka pala, boss. Ikaw pala yan, boss.
enemy has been slain. Your
Jilong, oh. Pumapangarap.
Slain.
Pumapangarap si
Your
Jilong,
team
man.
destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Uy!
Killing
Oh, yeah.
unstable network.
Nag-price time. Ouch, ouch. Ouch daw. Shot kay Mark.
Beings are all like stars. For peace!
Putakti, may Jilong na tumatakbo, pre. Titing.
Unstoppable.
Nakakainis naman. Nagbigay na ako kanina Santino. Sayang, hinahanap ko kayo Santino.
Ult is not ready.
Pero bukas magbibigay ulit ako Santino. Abangan muna lang Santino. Nalit si Santino nung dating. Nagbigay na ako ng Starlight kanina eh. I'm sorry. Don't leave me.
The universe is big enough for more than one race.
Watch out kay James Calagos. Lord mo na yan, God the Beast.
Humans have been obsessed with power and bloodshed since the dawn of time.
Kani talaga. Wow, nagprobidadi pre.
For the weak.
Grabe slow mo.
Godlike.
Wow, God, like. So ka kay Silong kaya nga eh. Kaya nga Santino, nagkamali ako ng sinabi kanina. Shot kay David Bryan, what a bird. Larong ano ako kanina. Na-mystic. Na-mystic tayo.
Those who kill for desire have no right to live. Remember this dagger of pain. It's for peace. But
Gather at the Lord. Gather at the Lord.
the universe is big enough for more than one race.
Tara, Lord.
How insignificant we are compared to the galaxy. For glory!
Enemy. Ally has slain Lord.
Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta, boy? Saan ka pupunta? Nag-live ka pa kanina? Oo.
Our turret is under attack.
Humans have been obsessed with power and bloodshed since the dawn of time.
Launch retreat.
Fellow citizens of peace!
Putik, mali ako pero napatay ko pa rin si Gusti, si Silong. May pangarap siling kaya nga eh. Mali ako, napindot yung second skill ko. Di ko, putik, di ko napagsabay, pre. Watch. Aba, 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 aba. Aba. Pusang ganda, dumiretso ka pa.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Di sayang yan ah. Salamat, Mark
Beings are all
Jacob.
like stars.
Hello, Prince Phil John Ease. Tama ba? Hello, Michael.
Those who kill for desire
Kailangan natin mapatay
have
siya.
no right to live.
Target lock, Jilong. Tinamaan ko yung minion sa puti. Kakala ko si Granger.
is not ready.
Lag! Uy! Gopi naman yun. Naglag ako dun sa part na yun, guys. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Oo. Salamat, JR Contido.
Has been slain. An enemy
Wala
has
ka
been slain.
Nagkamali po ako ng tutok dun. Tinamaan yung minions. No? Ang iyang.
We're
Ala.
ahead in gold.
Minions yung tinamaan, pre. Naglag idol kaya nga
Those
eh.
who kill for desire have no
Wala
right
akong
to
naglag
live.
dun sa part na yun, guys. Hindi ko na control. 1 second combo. Kaya ko yun pag ano, pag nakapindot gaming ako, kaya kong gawin yun. Ingat sa ano, mauna ka na, Jir, baka may zilong
The
eh.
universe is big enough for more than one race.
Battle spell.
Fellow citizens of the cosmos, lend me your strength
Uy na, Jir, tangkin mo to para kang timang ah.
for peace.
Battle spell and cooldown.
I am the moon for the stars, the hero for the weak.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Walang iya.
An ally has slain more.
Ayaw tangkin na, Jir, nasa ano, nasa harap.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Patay. When I see your face. Maulan pa rin, Libert. Walang pinagbago, maulan pa rin.
Battle spell and cooldown.
Comeback ba, idol? Hindi comeback. Medyo umitim ka ata. Nag-beach kasi kami, Perd.
Humans have
Nasunog
been
yung balat ko.
power since the dawn of
Sunburn.
Quest backup.
Set mo, Perd. Set mo, Perd. Na-sunburn ako, na-sunburn. Dream ko
time. Those guys are a bit off.
Enemy has been slain.
Ano ba, Perd? Sige, laro tayo, Perd. Lang problema yan.
An enemy has been slain.
Beings are all like stars.
Launch attack. Understood. Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret.
Remember this dagger of pain. This is what you asked for.
Initiate retreat.
Nag-light na yung kalaban, Perd, yung lunok.
Request backup.
Set daw, Perd. Set daw.
Okay.
The universe is
Ano
big
lang?
enough
Wait
for
for me.
more than one race.
Battle spell and cooldown. Battle spell and cooldown. Request battle spell and cooldown. Request backup.
Domain expansion ng putik.
Humans have been obsessed with power and bloodshed since the dawn of time.
Request backup. Battle spell is ready. Request
Fellow
backup.
citizens of the cosmos, lend me your strength!
An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
How insignificant. For peace!
Boom, 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 boom. Patay kayo, par! Ain't no way, boss! Ain't no way, boss! Patay ka na, par! Sabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Okay, back to RG ako. Salamat sa mga sumali sa Classic. Binalasa ko lang guys kasi... Anong tawag dito? Binalasa ko lang yun guys kasi... Naano ko sa RG kanina. Na-lose streak tayo. Okay, back to solo RG. Let's go bro. Nag-gusion pala ang coach ko. Oh coach! Binalagbag ko yung kalaban pero sa natalo ko kanina eh. Nabasag yung win streak ko kaya nag-classic muna ako saglit. Binalasa ko lang. Pero ngayon okay na. Balik tayo sa RG. Let's go. Let's go! Aljus malala. Ano oras po kayo magla-live bukas? Depende. Kung maaga ako magla-live bukas, pwede naman. Kung late, baka tamatin ako. O baka magiging 10, ganun. It depends on the situation. Swerte naman nung nabigyan natin ng Starlight kanina guys. Binigyan ko ng Starlight. Naka-live, binigyan ko siya ng Starlight guys. Legit. Explain ako bossing.
Your team is banning. Please ban a hero.
Magbaban pa ba ako? Good evening sa'yo, Kazutori. Yabusa, Julian.
Your team is picking.
Gagi, pinaban mo si Julian. May Julian ka naman pala, boss. Ayaw mo na yan. Ayaw mo, sing. Bibigay niyo yung Hayabusa, pre. Bibigay yan. Ayos.
The enemy is picking.
Go domain expansion pa ako.
My kiss grants you
This is the Greek.
immortality.
Coach, may extra ka bang pera dyan? Baka pwedeng meron na. Wala nga, coach eh.
I'm the Jade Slayer.
Umiram lang din ako kanina kay
Pain.
kay Mrs.
And the beast of
Kasi may binigyan ako ng Starlight. Baka kasi hinahanap niya na yung Yan. Roger Gold. Anong hero ni Coach Joseph sa CL? Wala, di siya sumama.
Sniper
Di siya
ready.
sumama kanina.
Give me a target.
The enemy is picking.
Anso? Baklap niyan, pre.
The strongest ninja.
PH na ba tapos mo, idol? PH na lang, PH.
Your team is picking.
PH na, Lodi, PH na. Salamat sa mga nagsishare ng stream, guys. Road to 200 share na tayo. Let's go. Tsaka heartbreak na rin stream natin, guys. May banded reaction na, oh. Baka naman. Baka naman.
Let's play
This
together.
time, the choice is mine.
Maganda tong pickings namin ngayon. Isang na lang, magandang tank. Huwag yan! Ayan, Tigrin, pwede. Pero mas maganda
The
yung
enemy
no?
is picking.
Matilda. Tama sila kay. Siyempre naman, boss. Top ilan? Top 98 pa lang ako. Pag nanalo ako ngayon, ewan ko anong magiging top ko. Kailan ba reset ng MMR? Ay, kailan bigayan? Ano ngayon? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Matagal pa. Kaya pa natin magpa-top global. Kaya pa natin magpa-top global tamos na naka-solo gaming tayo. Okay? Nag-classic pala kayo. Mine na Tig Master. Grabe yung Tigreal kanina kasama namin. Napanood nyo ba? Sinet niya yung mga kalaban. Ano lupit ng set niya? Kuha 3, 2. Galing, no? Naglaro pala kayo, Coach Joseph. Dad, sumama kayo sa akin. Sayang. Odette. Ano yan? Hanso? Hanso. Ang gulo naman ng ng kalaban. Saan si Hanso dyan?
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Neneng. Kalat naman.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash
Pro players yung tank natin kanina. Kaya nga, ang galing mag-set.
deployed.
Grabe mag-set yung tank namin kanina, guys. Pasok.
This place.
Grabe naman yun, bossing. Alis dito. Wag ano yan.
There will be no one left.
Baho naman ang lineup niyo, boss.
The same fate awaits them all.
Initiate retreat.
Duling. Duling. Uy, may Hanso na naman. Galit siguro tong Hanso, no? Feeling ko galit yung Hanso. May binan na
First blood.
may binan na hero sa may binan na hero yung gumagamit ng Hanzo. Siguro gusto niyang gamitin yung ibang
Then
hero.
she to good use.
Binan. Feeling ko lang. Yun siguro yung reason kung bakit siya kasi may red buff siya eh. Kung hindi nagto-throw yan, hindi nagto-troll. Hindi ko kuha ng buff yan eh. Kung kumuha ng buff, boss.
No one can send me back to the
Sabay-sabay na
spirit
tayo
realm.
kumain. Patapos ka na ba? Ano pang? Malapit na.
Initiate retreat.
Tingnan ko mamaya pang pag
Initiate retreat.
The Jade Palace will fall.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Buha pa ni Saber.
Enough!
Why are you kuha the turtle?
Launch attack.
Uy! That's a shit.
Slain
Ay,
ally.
gagi ka na pa. Hindi ka nagkamali po, King.
Enemy.
Kala mo, nag-ulti na ako, no? Ay, lumipat pa. Wow, wow. Shut down
Years
Shadow
of the
Boss
spirit
Winter.
realm taught me a thing or two.
An enemy has been slain. Good game.
Heal ka pagkatapos. Hindi ako. Bubuo ko na yung aking maiwagang
Pathetic.
Roshan site.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Hindi makarapit sa job. True yan.
Then she will soon be mine.
An ally
May Roger yak!
We will finish things up soon.
Ayaw mo ba mag-SS? Wala siya sa mag-SS pre. Ito ating Roger pre.
request backup.
They have no idea what I'm capable of. Fix myself.
Hindi mo na in-ulti yan, boss. Sayang ulti mo, bossing. Puro iba nakakakuha ng turtle. Puro Tigreal, Savior. Ano ba yan? Ayaw mo ayusin pa yung pagre-retry mo, boss. Kakalukuha na itong kasama natin na to.
Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
The same fate awaits them.
Kunin mo na lang ay. Ulti na din. Odette. Beautiful Odette.
Shut down.
Help! Stop!
Killing spree. Team
Your chi
destroyed
is strong.
Woo!
backup.
Patay pa talaga si Luko ka.
Request backup.
Namatay pa yun.
I'm ready for a rematch.
Nagtulong-tulong na sila ito. Kaya nga, nagtulong-tulong din.
We will finish things up soon.
Sulit lang yun. Yung sa kay Johit, baka mamarin na kay Johit.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been backup. An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Slain an enemy. Our turret is under attack.
Very tactful.
An enemy has been slain. You have been slain.
Bakit ni Hanzo? Lag!
Slain the turtle.
Walang iya. Nagtitripan lang tayo ng ano, Hanzo.
Sorry. Initiate retreat.
Thing or two.
Ally has been slain.
Gagi ka. Ano ba yan? Tumarget pa dun sa ano? Monster. Jungle monster yung ano.
Turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
There will be no one left.
Dapat yung Odette. Gagi na set to.
Double kill.
Puro lag, puro lag. Boh, galing ah.
I'm ready for a rematch.
Boh, usay ah. Parang naka-Dominic expansion ah.
An enemy has
Parang naka-domain expansion yun ah.
Send me back.
Gather up the Lord.
Ay, gagi ka. Parang naka-domain expansion siya Xavier dun ah. Target lock
Take
Xavier.
down
Grabe.
everything they cherish.
Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Ulit kayo, di ikaw na lang. Putik na yan. Joke lang.
Initiate retreat.
Lang po.
They have no idea what I'm
Man on your face that you know.
Attack the Lord.
Lord, tara.
Launch attack.
Tremble! She is mine.
Oo, Odette ah.
Launch attack.
Ang Odette, nasa bush.
No one can send me back to the spirit realm.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Backening spurt, backening.
There will be no one left.
Hindi ka lumipat. Kapang mo ah.
Tremble!
Has been slain.
Uy, natakot.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Set mga bossing.
The same fate awaits them all.
Naka-target lock siya.
We will finish things up soon.
Medyo okay, oh.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Very tacky.
Very tacky. Very tacky, boy. Oy, walang niya. Dito ka lang, bossing.
Launch a team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Sana'y ikaw na lang ang minahal ko. Tulungan kita, boss.
Your
I
team
love you forever, forevermore. Ang magaling na Idol Spear.
Team destroyed a turret.
Ang mga ginagalingan?
tremble!
Ano ko lang? Wala lang. Boy. Ano yun, boy?
Request backup.
Uy, boss. Lumipat oh.
Retreat
for the
Lord. Gather up the
The
Lord.
Jade
Sylvian.
Palace will fall.
Isang ulang yan. Diba? Pininiwala eh. MVP na. Number 96 Philippines pa lang tayo, boy! Paano? Kain na. Kakain na daw kami, guys. Kakain na daw muna kami. We will eat our dinner. Salamat sa mga nanonood, guys. Sabay-sabay na daw kami kakain. Bye, guys. I love you. Ingat kayo palagi. Mama. Bye-bye.